If the grid goes down, purifying water at home becomes essential. First, you can use a simple boiling method. Just bring water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. This kills most pathogens. If you're at higher altitudes, go for 3 minutes. Next, consider the classic filtration method. You can create a DIY filter using layers of sand, gravel, and charcoal in a container. Pour the water through this setup, and it'll remove impurities and improve taste. Lastly, if you have access to sunlight, try solar disinfection. Fill clear plastic bottles with water and leave them in direct sunlight for 6 hours. The UV rays will eliminate harmful microorganisms. These methods can keep you safe and hydrated when modern conveniences fail.